Today I'm sharing day 6 of what I eat in a day video, which I'll be uploading daily for the next 2 days. I like to start my day with a glass of structured water. 15 minutes later, I have my bulletproof cocoa. It's also my pre-workout drink and helps me to extend my intermittent fasting without raising my glucose levels. I have already shared how to make bulletproof cocoa. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video in the description box. For breakfast, I have already soaked overnight pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, 4 almonds and 1 Brazil nut, 4 to 5 black raisins. I'll be peeling the almonds and I'll be finely chopping the Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are a good source of selenium. I have finely chopped the almonds and Brazil nuts. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in frozen avocado, adding in 1 cup of water. I have a handful of fresh moringa leaves. Moringa leaves are also known as nature's multivitamin, and I always try to include them in my diet. However, if you don't have fresh moringa leaves at hand, you can use organic moringa powder instead. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Today's banana is slightly large, hence I'm using half of the banana. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and blended really well. Pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass. I'm topping it with the overnight soaked nuts and seeds. And my healthy breakfast is ready to enjoy. For today's lunch, I'm having 1 khapli wheat roti. Now, for those of you who don't know what khapli wheat is, it's an ancient variety of wheat grain. It's also known as emmer wheat. Khapli wheat has a very weak gluten molecule. I've already shared many videos using khapli wheat. Please do check it out to understand more. I'm having fish curry today. This is yesterday's leftover colaccasia curry, beans thoran, and some sliced carrots. And this is my lunch for today. Along with lunch, I'm also having 2 small apples. Today for dinner, I'm having boiled sweet potatoes, shallots and green chili chutney, and some boiled chana. When I am using sweet potatoes, I make sure that it is completely cooled. Sweet potatoes, when cooled down, will become resistant starch. Hence, I always try to use boiled and cooled sweet potatoes in my diet. Resistant starch is ideal for weight loss and for good gut health. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of resistant starch. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. So guys, I'll be back with another what I eat in a day video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.